Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Dave and Abby. This is GVA, Ghettovanadventures. So, have you ever disconnected your battery on a Honda and all of a sudden your stereo is flashing code? Well, I'm going to show you and tell you how to get your stereo back working. Now, first thing you do, get your ownership out and it has your VIN number on it. Call the dealership, ask for the service department, a Honda dealership, ask for the service department, give them the VIN code, okay? Now, they're going to give you the code for your stereo. Write it down, put it in your glove box, whatever. Store it on your phone. That way, if it ever happens again, you got the code, because each one is different for each car. Now, I'm going to show you how to enter it, and it's easy as pie. Okay. There. So, turn on the power. It says code. Now, the code that I got for this car is 46464. Look at that. Easy as pie. Now my radio works, and I'll do another video how to set the clock, but it's that easy, guys. So if this helped you out, give it a like, maybe subscribe, and leave a comment. Help out the channel. You guys take care. Be safe on the road.